Hello friends, good evening all. Welcome to my channel. I hope all are very happy today because very big bull run we saw in the market. As I told you today morning, if Nifty breaks this level, you can go for buying. This is the strong support. But what happened? And also I told you that if Nifty open gap up, if it opens here, wait for the retracement, buy here and exit here. So this I told in that video. But what market did is market opened at this level, made a retracement this level. Again, it made a sharp pullback from this level. So really, this support zone, a strong support zone. You have to this up ध्यान रखना है ये support zone. If you take Bank Nifty, देखा तो कल मैं बोला it was traveling in that trend line and it closed on that trend line as well as this support is very strong support is here also. There it closed. And I said if it closes below this level, go for selling. If it breaks this level, go for buying. But from here, what a bounce back. Almost made 800 points from this level. So I hope you made a very good profit today. So let's get into the topic. Today, I'm going to discuss how to find trend reversal. How to find out trend reversal from bearish to bullish or from bullish to bearish, either side. One way of finding this is with patterns. You can easily find it out. Second way, companies' performance, announcement or good result. These are some of the factors which makes trend to reverse. So let us take this is applied to any asset class. Let us take gold because gold I told you yesterday. No, I gave you a buy call. So let us take that one. Yesterday when I gave it was trading in this range. Yesterday it was this is the support and this is the resistance. It was trading inside this range. And I told you that if it breaks the resistance level, you can go for buy. The level is 38 to 40 level higher side. Target will be 1847. But it didn't break yesterday. On the lower side, if this breaks, you can go for selling. But today morning, सुबह ये break कर दिया. And from there, it slowly made some small correction. Again, it picked up and did a target of 1467, 68. High is around I think 49 or 50. I think so. Yes, 49. Yes. Well, let us take in the 1 hour time frame. We all know that gold is in bearish mode. We all know for the past, you see, almost 1 month, I think so. It was in bearish zone, bearish mode. You have to sell and then buy. You shouldn't buy and sell. So sell and buy. But this trend, it will not continue. Somewhere it has a end point to it to get some reversal. So at the time of reversal, any pattern it can form. Whether it can form a head and shoulder, triangular pattern, cup and handle pattern, anything can form. So first thing you have to see is what type of pattern is forming. That you have to see first. So here I found head and shoulder pattern, and we cannot say that this gold trend now it start reversing. From now on it keeps going upward. No, no, that I am not saying, and I couldn't say now because it has some criteria to fulfill. After fulfilling that only, you can come to a conclusion. So first confirmation is for a buying, you have to identify a pattern. So I identified as a head and shoulder. So what is the second criteria or what is the second point in simple term means the left shoulder and right shoulder should be close to symmetrical. Sorry, left and right shoulder should be close to symmetrical. It means they should be very similar in shape. See, if our body is in good shape, that means we are healthy, isn't it? So in the same way, chart also needs some shape. So if these two are similar shape, then that is the second criteria to be fulfilled. You have to look to it. So this is almost similar, you don't need to worry about it. And the third point is volume tends to decrease. Volume. Let us see volume. That is in the left shoulder, volume should be high, that is increase, बढ़ना है. But in the right shoulder, the volume should drop, घटना है, decrease, come down. So let us take what is happening in gold volume. अब देखिए, the left shoulder volume should increase. Okay, right. Volume is high only, no problem with this. And in the right shoulder, volume should drop. You can see, yes, volume is nothing. There is no volume at all. In the left shoulder, volume is there. Yes. Right shoulder, volume dropped. Yes, it fulfills the third point. Now we'll see the fourth point. The neckline should be broken with complete. So this is the neckline. It should be broken with complete. It means, let me make you a little bigger. Okay, right. If you take this one, the neckline is already broken here. Yes, it is broken. But the neckline should be broken with complete. Means the candle after this, breakout candle, there will be another candle that should close above this candle, that is previous candle. Then you will get the confirmation. Yes, now I can do it. So the candle, the breakout candle, following the breakout candle, that is next candle, it has to form breaking the high of this candle and should close above the high of this candle. So that is the confirmation for a buy. Fifth one is the breakout at the neckline. A candle forms, so that should be having a higher volume. So this is the breakout. No, not breakout, but made a breakout. But the next candle is the confirmation candle, isn't it? So not yet happened. So let's see if time passes. We'll see any big buyers are coming, and it close above. This means with the volume you can go for buying. Gold can move more higher in the upcoming days. Suppose if there is no volume, then that is a false breakout. That is an indicator. That is the indication. So be careful with this point. So whenever a pattern forms, don't blindly follow once the pattern makes a breakout. There will be some principles for each and every pattern. There will be some criteria. So you have to look that also into that pattern. As we discussed today, some 5 points are there. So once this 5 points fulfills in this pattern, then we can go for a buying. So these are very, very important points or criteria or principle to overlook the pattern, because this will increase the success rate of our trade. So you should keep a very close look on this. Now let us take when I saw head and shoulder, suppose I saw a candle breaks and closes above this a candle form, just assuming, what will happen? Do you say that 110% now this price will go up in the future? Could you say that? Please send your comments in the comment box. I just want to read. But if you ask this question to me, you know what I say? The answer is no from my side. Nothing is 100% in the market. Keep that in mind. If this criteria fulfills, assume that fulfills here. Suppose any bad news comes in the market, what happens? Automatically the market will crash. Is it not? So what we have to think is, whatever we see, it is just a probability that the price likely to go upside in the future. It has some probability. That's it. So that's why we often use the stop loss for each and every trade. Now for this, if breaks above this, this is the stop loss. That is 38 to 40 level. You know what is the target? Once it breaks this level, it closes above this level, that is this neckline. The target of the gold is in this month 1900. Just write and keep it. If this didn't break means, because this is the stop loss. And the 5 criteria which we saw, that too has to fulfill. After fulfilling that, I'm telling you, because from here till here 50 points are there. So this will come on top also. That is 50 points from here to here. So that will bring to 1900 100 gold dollar. So let's see. The time will unfold everything. So patiently you have been waiting. So I must thank you all for that. I hope you like this video content. It's just an educational purpose. I worked it, and I think it took a very long time. So sorry for that. Kindly uh, share with your friends, especially your trading friends and your close family members. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a good day.